Hello, in front of me I've got Potensic ATOM 2. In this video I'll show you how to manually change return to home altitude. To manually change return to home altitude, let's go to Potensic App, Settings and Safety. Find Return to Home and adjust it between 10 meters and 120 meters. Right here you can find Drone Return to Home Guide. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.